Back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a profile in Opensea. So let's say you connect your wallet to Opensea, but the only thing it says on your profile is unnamed, and you want to provide a name for your profile like myself, YouTuber NFT. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can name your profile. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to Opensea.io and click on this little profile picture looking icon, but make sure you have connected your wallet. Alright, once you do that, go on versus profile. Now once you go on profile, your profile is going to be shown over here. Alright, so wait for some time. Now once you're on your profile, to change your name from unnamed to something, you want to click on this three dot and go on setting. Now once you go on setting, it's going to bring you to profile details. Now over here it's going to be empty if you have unnamed, so what you can do is name yourself. So I'm gonna write myself YouTuber underscore NFT 69, and you can write your email if you want to, or you can leave it empty. You can connect to Twitter, Instagram, link your website, and click on save. Once you do that, wait for some time, and if this icon comes over here, that means you have successfully done it. Now you can go a step back to add yourself a profile picture. Click on this little pen icon and choose the picture from your gallery, and to change your background you can click on this, choose a picture from your gallery, and it should be changed. So wait for some time now. As you guys can see, our banner picture has been updated like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can set up a profile in Opensea. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.